Hey guys, back with another video. And today we'll be looking at how to create actually both a trampoline and a conveyor belt. And we're just basically using the same property for conveyor belt and trampoline. So let's head straight into this. So firstly, go into workspace and insert a part. All we can do is just press that simple way and go and scale it. You can design it like a trampoline. I'm just going to keep it basic as I mostly do, but we'll make it exactly like a trampoline and a conveyor belt. So now all we need to do in this is look at the velocity. No scripting involved. You could add scripting into this, but you could maybe change the velocity at times. But you just need to say you need to know C frame, and all you need to do is change that velocity. So we'll firstly do the trampoline. So all we need to look at, not the X, not the Z, we need to look at the Y. And this Y, because Y-axis will go up, X-axis will go, I'm not sure which side, and Z-axis will go the opposite, I think. So all we need to do is change the Y-axis to you can change it to how much pressure or how powerful. So I'm going to say 100. You could have 200, 300, maybe not 1,000 because that would take you really high, but one of these is a good option. And we need to, and this the most important property, not the, well, apart from the velocity, is anchored. This has to be true. If I show you without anchored, I'll go and show you and play, and I'll show you the properties window. So go into that. See, it is bouncing already. And if we go into workspace and head into a part, it's not 100. If I go and change it to 100, look what happens. Oh. Yeah, it's not a trampoline. It's not what we want it to be. So it needs to be anchored. So now what we want to do is, you need to go and anchor it. That's the best, most important property of this, apart from the velocity. So now if we go on the part and go on it, you can see I'm not pressing the spacebar, but we are going up. You can press the spacebar and maybe go a bit higher. So that is it with the trampoline. That's great. The trampoline's all working. And now with the conveyor belt. So you want to put the y-axis back down to 0. And now we need to look at the x-axis and the z-axis. You could do the z. We'll try the z first, and we'll say 100 again. We'll go and see. That might be a bit too powerful. I'm not sure. If we go in it, it should see it's put us. We basically can't go in it. Look, as soon as we go, we just get zoomed back. So that's a cool conveyor belt you can do. Push back, and if we put the z-axis back to 0 and put the x-axis back to 100, I would say I'm actually going to change it to 25 or no, 30. So it'll look like I think it should look like a real conveyor belt. So with these X and Z, I would recommend 30. So look, yeah, I definitely recommend 30. Look, push me right back to the other way with the which one is this again? Oh, I forgot. With the x-axis, we're getting pushed this way. With the z-axis, we'll be going pushed over there. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like if this helped. Take care. Bye.